Orientflex Group, the one-stop supplier for flexible hose and coupling. Orientflex Group, headquarters in Shijiazhuang, the capital city of Hebei province, which is 1 hour's driving to Beijing. With the leadership of Mr. Wu Guoyun, we are now a group company integrating research, production, development, and sale. Shijiazhuang Orient Trade Company Limited was established in 2006. In 2010, it changed name to Hebei Orient Rubber and Plastic Company Limited, which focused on the research and development and production, sale of rubber hoses and plastic hoses. After 18 years developed with glory, Hebei Orient Rubber and Plastic Company Limited changed name to Hebei Orient ADMA Tech Company Limited and officially became a group company in 2023. In the same year, Zhending Base was officially put into use. As for the products, we supply you plastic hose, industrial hose, hydraulic hose, silicone hose, drilling hose, marine hose, and coupling. While they are widely used in garden, agriculture, industry, mining, drilling, automobile, marine, etc. We own several production bases. The production is over 1,500,000 meters of industrial hose, 8 million meters of hydraulic hose, and over 12,000 tons of plastic hose. We have exported to over 130 countries, with an annual export over 1,000 containers, while we have served for more than 1,000 clients. Since setup, we have exported our hoses to over 130 countries around the 5 continents like America, Russia, Brazil, Argentina, Peru, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Thailand, etc. In 2012, we achieved a sales of 2.4 million. After that, our sales grows at a rate of approximately 27%, and our sales reached 39 million in 2023. We have a Quality Management System Certificate, ISO 9001, Environmental Management System Certificate, ISO 14001, Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certificate, and Corporate Social Responsibility Management System Certificate. Orientflex Group is the one-stop supplier for flexible hose and coupling. We own over 100 senior engineers and experienced technicians. Besides, we own advanced automatic production line. Orientflex strictly carries out the quality management system. Thus, all of the raw materials and finished products will pass the strict tests before leaving the factory.
这里是我们润特集团的实验室，在我的后方是我们润特集团的一些实验设备。现在在我左手方的分别为臭氧老化试验箱和低温试验箱，在我右手边的为磨耗试验机。现在在我右手方的分别为高温试验箱和紫外线试验箱，在我左手边的为拉力试验机。
About the loading, we have professional loading planner who can plan and make the utmost of every single inch of space and guarantee the products will be delivered to clients in good condition. Orientflex Group, the one-stop supplier for flexible hose and coupling, has 18 product series and over 50,000 product SKU. PVC hose, industrial hose, hydraulic hose, garden series, water discharge series, automobile hose, sandblasting paint hose series, high pressure washing series, pneumatic series, Petrol Station Series, Concrete Hose, Vacuum and Duct Hose, Metal Hose Series, Fitting Series, Clamp Series, Dredging Series, Oil Field Series. Since setup, our company always insists on green, sustainable, and low-carbon development. In the factory operation process, we adopt energy-saving and emission-reducing technology to reduce the energy consumption and the discharge of carbon dioxide. Thus, we are the demonstration and Class B enterprise of environment protection. Orientflex Group actively participates in the social public benefit activities. Besides, we cooperate with lots of universities to develop talents in the trading field for the society. In addition to internal activities, Orientflex Group actively participate in the events held by Hebei Chamber of E-Commerce. Orientflex Group sets up Women's Federation and Labor Union. We are a family with harmony and love. For minority language teams, we offer the best service with professional skill and the same language with clients.
Je m'appelle Louise, je suis principalement le responsable du marché français.
Me llamo Liying, ahora me encargo de la gerenda de venta para el mercado latinoamericano.
Меня зовут Ева Сон. Я менеджер по продажам и отвечаю за российский рынок.
My name is Wendy, the sales manager of Orientflex. I am responsible for the bread market.
我是吴妍妍，主要负责公司的财会工作。
我叫荣祥，我是一名技术工人。
我是康泽安，我负责产品质量检测。
我叫吴国义，负责产品研发。
Orientflex Group, one-stop supplier of flexible hose and coupling. Your reliable partner.